Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ira Vlog. And today's video is super special because this is my very first long vlog. Today is also a big day for me because I'm taking my first ever solo flight. I'm traveling from Kolkata to Bihar. And in this video, I'll also be sharing some useful tips for all of you who might be flying for the first time. So, let's get started. My flight is at 8:40 a.m., and I left home around 3 hours earlier. Right now, it's 4 a.m., super early, I know. But since the airport is quite far from my home, it takes almost 2 hours to get there, so I decided to leave a little extra early just to be safe. My tip for you guys, always try to reach the airport at least 2 hours before your flight. So, I've reached the airport. The first thing I did after arriving was show my ticket and ID proof to the security guard, and then I was allowed to go inside. I was really nervous, but as soon as I got inside, I went to the airline counter, collected my boarding pass, and then headed to the security check area. Security check is done, and now I'm heading towards the gate number mentioned on my boarding pass. I'll just sit there in the waiting area and wait for boarding to start. My boarding time is at 7:55, and right now it's just 6:30, so I still have plenty of time to relax and wait. Boarding has finally started, and I'm in the line now, feeling so excited. After my boarding pass was scanned, I went to sit on the airport bus, which will take me to the airplane. Then I reached near the aircraft, where they checked my boarding pass once again, and after that, I entered the flight. After getting inside the flight, I found my seat and settled in. Tip for you guys, if you ever have trouble finding your seat, just show your boarding pass to the cabin crew, and they'll happily guide you.